Feeling stuck with endless home problems? Searching for an electrician, plumber, and cleaner on different apps? Ugh, such a headache. Introducing apneservice.com, your one-stop solution for all your home needs. From fixing flickering lights to stopping that annoying drip and making your home sparkle. apneservice.com does it all. Book in just a few taps, track your service, and relax. It's that simple. With apneservice.com, enjoy peace of mind while we handle the hard work. Download the apneservice.com app today and make your life easier. Why wait? Try it now.